Hello everyone. Previously we went through the encapsulation, uh, right? So today we'll be discussing about the inheritance and the polymorphism. This is main concept of the book, right? So inheritance, what does inheritance do? Inheritance allows one class to extend another. So again I'm telling, inheritance basically allows one class to extend another, inheriting its properties and methods. This is simple, right? So inheritance basically what it does, it allows one class to extend another, inheriting its properties and methods. Then what does polymorphism do? Polymorphism allows overriding or modifying inherited methods, right? Again I'm telling, polymorphism allows overriding or modifying the inherited methods. So let's try to understand the same thing with a very simple example, right? We'll be dealing with inheritance and polymorphism. So I'll just create a parent class and name the class animal, right? So let's make use of the constructor. So let's pass name as parameter here, right? So then let's initialize this one to name. This is fine. Let's come out of the constructor. I'll just make use of the method speak here. So let me quickly log. What shall I log here? Let me make use of the template literals. So here, let me quickly give this dot name, right? Let's pass the name here. Makes a sound. This is fine. This is it for the this one speak method. Let me come out of this class entirely, right? So let's create a child class which inherits the animal, right? This one. As I have said, this is the parent class. Let's create a child class inheriting animal, right? So I'll just quickly give a class dog. This one extends animal, right? So this is fine. I'll just make use of speak here. So speak method. So within this, I'll quickly log something. I'll just come here. What shall I log here? I'll just give here in simple terms. Let me give here. Let's pass the name first here. I'll just give you barks. We are considering dog, right? This is fine. Let me come out of this class, basically. So now let's deal with the objects, basically. So I'll just come here. Let me make use of variable generic animal. Here I'll just give new animal initially. Let's give something within the string. So I'm considering a generic animal, right? So here also I'll just give generic animal. So let me give const dog, new dog of name. What shall I give? I'll just, in my case, let me give buddy here. This is fair. Finally, let's try to implement the polymorphism. Nothing but I'll just give here generic animal. Let's call the method speak here. And also, let me give here dog. Let me call the speak method here as well. So the output that we need to get here is generic animal makes a sound. Here we have given generic animal, this one name. This one makes a sound. Generic animal makes a sound. The second output that we need to get here is this one dog.speak we are giving, right? This one buddy barks. This one name will be this one. But it will be buddy right here. This one buddy barks. So this is the output that we need to get. Initially, let's try to run the code and I'll explain what I have written here. So we are getting the output generic animal makes a sound, buddy barks, which is absolutely correct, right? So I'll just quickly explain whatever I have done here. So here the animal class, whatever I have written, you can clearly see here, right? While writing, I said this was the this will be the parent class. So the animal class defines a speak method. You can clearly see here. The animal class defines a speak method. The dog class here, whatever I have written in the line number 11, you can see here, the dog class inherits the animal using extends, right? You can clearly see here, we are making use of the extends keyword. So the dog class inherits the animal using the extends and overrides the, again I'm telling, overrides the speak method showcasing the polymorphism, right? So here again I'm telling, this one is important. This is the concept of polymorphism. The dog class is inheriting animal using extends keyword and it is overriding the speak method as well. We have already made use of the speak in animal. So here inside the dog, this is overriding the speak method showcasing the polymorphism. So while explaining, I have already said polymorphism allows overriding or modifying inherited methods, right? So polymorphism allows overriding or modifying inherited methods, which is completely correct, right? In this case, this is doing the same thing here. So finally, both objects here demonstrate the ability to call their respective speak method. So here you can clearly see both the objects, what they are doing, they demonstrate the ability to call their respective speak methods. Here you can clearly see the concept of, we clearly saw the concept of polymorphism and the inheritance here, right? So I hope the concept of this one, inheritance and polymorphism, and is completely clear. So next, let's discuss about the abstraction, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.